transfer assets from Bitget to Binance on PC. How to transfer assets from Bitget to Binance on PC? It's simple and easy. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged into your Bitget account. Now head over to the wallet icon and tap on withdraw. Now after that, as you can see, you can access it from here, or you can click on this icon, and now you can click on asset overview, and now click on spot and click on withdraw and click on withdrawal. Now as you can see, the same page, you can access it from two ways. Now after that, select the asset that you want to send. For this I will select USDT. Now make sure you select on chain, not internal transfer. Now after that, select the network, and this network it cost you just nothing for the fees. Now after you select it, now you need to withdrawal address. So how to get the Binance withdrawal address? Now first of all, make sure you log into your Binance account. Now head over and click on deposit. Now after that, click on deposit crypto, and now after that, as you can see, now here search for the coin. For the coin that you want to send or receive is USDT. Now the network, make sure you select the BSC, the same network that you selected here from Bitget. Now after that, you can copy the wallet. Now go back to Bitget and paste it here. Now as you can see, after you click on next, now you can select how much you want to transfer from USDT. Now as you can see, it's free. The transactions fee is free. Now you can receive 100 USDT. Now after that, you can click on withdrawal, and now you can transfer the assets from Bitget to Binance on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.